Hi friends, today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of features on the application of Telegram. You will go to settings. In this page you will go to apps, default apps, app settings. On above you will search about Telegram app and you will click here in this window. Then this page of app info, you will click on first stop and you will click OK. Here you will enter to the window of storage. Then we click on clear cache. In the end you will go to Play Store. You will search about the application of Telegram. Here you can uninstall your app and you can install it again. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video and thank you for your watching.